me.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Honey. Crowbar. You know, the funny thing about this is most people, once it's shut and kind of trimmed out, as long as I don't change it too much, they won't even know it was here. They won't even know that I put this in. Gotta be trimmed out, that's for sure. Daylight, that's what we want. Just a little bit on each side. Let's see what it looks like outside. You guys focused? Let's see what it looks like outside. Going back here. What is that? I'm screwing it like that. Oh, no, door needs to be cleaned and painted. That ain't bad. All we gotta do is trim it out. Seal it up, trim it out, pour a pad to it, because these idiots decide they pour it a couple inches off the ground because they're lazy. Yeah. And you know that's gonna be right where the wall is, so you can have another door on that side. And we got all this room, give you perspective. There's the alley. If that pole wasn't be there, it'd be perfect. We've got all this room plus that alley to back into this thing. Gotta make a ramp here, and then over there, gotta make an entrance and pour this. Everybody's favorite place, or Maynard's. Once again, 10 years running, no help. I apologize if it's windy. We just got done with the dryer install. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put the trim around that door. The aluminum flashing around it. The fancy weather stripping. I want to get it sealed up on the outside. It's supposed to get cold the next couple of days. This would be a good thing to get done today real quick. I still got to fix some of the siding you see up on the top. And I'm going to touch that up with pieces I have left over. And then I'm going to do the trim all the way around the face of it in a few days. So let's get started. Aluminum I can get away with bending it by hand. can see like that, I got my door opened. I know what I need to get later to finish a couple more things for tomorrow. Maybe I'll do a little bit later, but that's what I do. I try to pick one task, do that, and be done. Because there's no sense in trying to do everything. You'll just be exhausted. So, take it easy. Catch you on the next one.